Hi, I'm Aileen Ch, Deputy Editor for Infrastructure for Engineering News Record. I'm out here in the Coachella Valley, but I'm not here to see any music. We are standing on the I-10 rehab project. It's one of our design build projects, one of 3 segments between here and the Arizona state line. Interstate 10 carries a large volume of interstate truck traffic from the LA ports to the rest of the country. So it is a lifeline coming into the Inland Empire.
Okay, the concrete paving on this job and this project is mostly concrete paving. It's 13 miles long, 5 lanes, 3 in one direction, 2 in the other direction. The concrete is 1 foot thick, which is pretty typical for a project like this. It's got joints every 14 feet, and the joints are reinforced with dowel. We're paving up here in the California high desert, and it does bring some unique challenges. One is obviously the weather. It's wind velocity, it's relative humidity, it's getting access to good materials. All of those things are important in controlling the quality. We developed a quality-specific approach to this particular project.
The question was, how do we use data in finding quality? Testing, like viewing test results day in, day out, in real time is incredibly important. So the information in real time, the production in real time is really important. Strength is important. Air quality is important. Sand quality is important. And cement quality. So analyzing that data as it comes in avoids strength issues and quality problems down the road. Out of 24,000 slabs, we've had 20 with minor issues that needed repair.
We're doing about 2,500 to 3,000 feet per day at 1,700 to 2,000 cubic yards per day. Well, design build, particularly on this job, has been an integrated partnership from the beginning during the whole process of the design, where everybody gets and working in a partnership.
I guess really where I would start is about how partnering, the facilitated partnering on this job really made a difference. Working in challenging location out in the desert, challenging weather conditions, and the project team really was able to bring it together, all be on the same page about quality. Their focus has been on quality and safety, and it's really the quality that has made a difference in the final product here for the traveling public.
We met almost for a year on a weekly basis and went with each functional team during the design process and worked with all the issues, the minor details, and compressed the entire design just by having us meeting internally with the contractor's team, with the contractor's designer, and our team at the high level.
Well, I think the overall just the quantity of paving, 240,000 yards, and I think the work probably took somewhere in the neighborhood of 80 shifts. It's been unique in the phasing, and as soon as you get into one stage, you've got about 25 to 40 shifts to get that stage paved out and switch traffic. That's one aspect of the work. The one unique part of the design was just our ability to manage the design together with Caltrans.
One thing that we have unique on this project, because it's a design build project, we have 3 levels of quality control. We have contractor's quality control, we have quality validation from contractor side, and quality verification from our owner side. So what we did is we had a joint sticks group where we were addressing each other's concerns, and some of the things were addressed immediately. Usually they give us 3-week look-ahead schedule. We also asked for daily schedule along with who is the owner, who is the contact person for that portion of the project. They saw a uniform message that, hey, project is priority. Resolving issues on a timely basis, and then resolving it at the lowest level was our priority.
I think when everyone has a common goal and they're working towards it with no big egos, and there is transparency and they're listening to each other, that's main focus.
The commitment to the quarterly in-person project level teams and executive level teams, and combining the information from both sides, sharing that knowledge and allowing people to help each other out through those meetings. We were doing monthly partnering surveys to also get a more of a field level approach to get their knowledge and what their perspectives are on the project, and just the open and honest, transparent communication throughout the duration of the project. I think that was the key way to build and maintain trust on this project.
They took every single opportunity to get as many different people in the room together, from design to the construction team, in the room to really resolve, solve, think outside the box, be innovative, and push the envelope, which you don't typically see on projects.
This project that we're witnessing today is a showcase project, not only for alternative delivery, but it can be for design, bid, build, CMGC, or any other project, given the leadership and all the culture that we create from this project that can cascade all the way through.